Hello everybody, today's session is on present continuous. Koha e tashme e vazhdueshme. Affirmative, pohore. I am studying. Un po mësoj, studioj. Mësoj, studioj is the same as studying. You are studying. He is studying. She is studying. We are studying. You are studying. They are studying. Un po mësoj, ti po mëson ose studion, ai po mëson, studion, ajo po mëson, studion, ne po mësojmë, studiojmë, ju po mësoni, studioni, ata po mësojnë, studiojnë. Interrogative, am I eating? Are you eating? Am I studying? Are you studying? Is he studying? Is she studying? Are we studying? Are you studying? Are they studying? And the answers are yes or no plus the pronoun. And as we said, we always have not in the negative. So no, I am not. And the Albanian will be am I studying? Apo studiojon. Are you studying? Apo studion ti? Is he studying? Apo studion ai? Is she studying? Apo studion ajo? Is it studying? Obviously, we don't say studying for animals, so basically, but it could be any kind of study, not necessarily what we consider as studying. So, është ai, ajo, duke studiuar, duke mësuar. Are we studying? Apo studiojmë ne? Apo mësojmë ne? Are you studying? Apo mësoni ju? Apo studioni ju? Are they studying? Apo mësojnë ata? Negative, it's easy. So as we said, it's just not. So I am not studying, you are not studying, they are not studying, and so on. He is not studying, she is not studying, it is not studying. We are not studying, you are not studying, they are not studying. And as I said, in Albanian, we just have nuk. So instead of saying not, will be nuk. So it is un nuk po ha, nuk po studioj, un nuk po mësoj, ti nuk po studion, ti nuk po mëson, ai nuk po mëson, ajo nuk po mëson, ai ajo nuk po mësojnë, ne nuk jemi duke mësuar, ju nuk jeni duke mësuar, ato nuk janë duke mësuar. This was today's session. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.